Welcome back to the Open Source series. In this episode, we're going to take a look at something weird, a partially open source search engine by Ben Busby. I'll explain what I mean, cool features about it, 2 problems, reasons to use it, a way to set it up, a link to my hosted instance, and even how to set it up as your default search engine. So there's a problem with DuckDuckGo. It has a lot of privacy. Although that's good in a lot of ways, DuckDuckGo doesn't give good search results. Google has good search results because it knows what the user wants. When I say partially open source, I say that because Google uses Google search results. So Google gives you good search results, but it can't use your searches to tailor ads for you. Cool features. Some cool features about this project are the following things. No cookies from Google.com. The server takes them and destroys them. There are also DuckDuckGo styled banks, although I barely even use them when I attempted to switch to DuckDuckGo. Oh, was that a horrible experience. Also, if you deploy it to a remote server, like I did, it doesn't show your IP address. Another thing is that it uses a random user agent when it talks to Google to give its results. You can't be tracked, even with fingerprinting. Something else that it advertises is Tor connectivity, but I never got that working. You can also see more from their GitHub page, link in the description. So Google also advertises dark mode, but as of editing this video, Google brought out dark mode out of beta. So if I Google up something, you can actually see that it advertises dark mode too. So with all the cool stuff, there do come a few drawbacks. First, it goes into the center and never uses either of these sides. Google, on the other hand, puts it on the complete left, and if there's an opportunity to put it on the right, then it uses it. Okay, moving on to a second drawback. If I search up something like hex color picker, it doesn't show the canvas. Unlike Google, if I Google up hex color picker, it shows me this canvas that makes it easier, so I don't have to go on one of these websites and continue. Although the second drawback only affects people who need hex color picker really quickly, this one shows how Google is really slow when preloading images. So if I Google something up with a bunch that'll preload a bunch of images, you can see over here that it takes a long time. Now if I preload something that takes a lot of image on Google, it loads it faster. This may be because the server takes the image from Google, then renders it on the server, sends it to the client, in this case my computer, and then finally the client renders the. So usually in this part of the video, I would tell you guys how to set it up. But currently, I've tried everything I could to get it running on Windows, but I wasn't able to. So the only last resort I know is on using a Linux VM. But I can't do it in this video because we're run out of time. So I'll be making a part 2 just on how to set up a VM using Manjaro and running Google on that VM and letting it pass through to your network. As I said that we're going to be running this on a VM in the next video, but I can still tell you guys how to run it as your default web browser, as I decided to set up it on a Linux cloud server. So it'll be a few steps, stay with me. Okay, so open a new tab, right click and press Manage Search Engines. Then press Add and just name it whatever you want. Cool search, right? And then keyword colon blah 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 blah. Okay? But then the important part comes here. You want to take this https:// Google dot suppoolak.repl.co /search. Okay, that's going to give you the search. But then the next part is where it actually tells Google what to search. So you're going to go $Q, okay, equals %s. Let's explain what this means, okay? So whenever you make a Google search, and I'm like the heavy coder, you can search that as goes to /search $Q equals the heavy coder. But this changes over here, okay? So with that, this is what %s means. It just replaces that whatever the user had searched in the address bar. And then you press add, then you'll see it somewhere down here, okay? And make default. So now, whenever I go over here and I Google something up, and that makes that the default search engine. Okay guys, if you like this video, hit like. If you guys want to see more of the open source series, hit subscribe. And if you think anybody else could use this video, share it. Comment down below your favorite part, and I'll see you in the next video.